Bring your dreams them to life, pretty girl. Bring it tight, tight to me. You bring it tight, tight to me. Hey, you desire.
You know, I went to the laundromat last time I was closed on my house. The price is crazy. I'll go back to the one that I went last time, please. The biggest laundromat they have in there is $12.99. The regular size I usually use at the regular laundromat, that should say $7.99. And the smallest one, I think it's, is it $5.99 or something like that? Oh, please. No, no, we're not doing that. Anyways, let's eat this wing stuff. Okay, I'm going to TikTok soon.
I've been choosing peace over people lately. So far, I've been choosing
See,
peace
I'm about to
over people
record.
lately. So far,
I don't regret nothing. Period. Alright. Hey y'all, we got some wing stop. Oh, you saying wing stop because I eat wing stop so much. I haven't been to Buffalo Wild Wings in forever. My favorite. It is y'all. Oh, I cannot wait to eat this. Blue cheese gonna forever be my favorite. I don't know. I just don't like ranch like that. Get it fried. Oh, I was gonna share this with my son. Listen, like I really be feeling bad. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, Kimani will bust this down by himself. Look, it's cool. When he come over next time, I'm gonna get it for him. He will bust this whole thing down by himself. I mean, he's a teenager now, so he can. I think this is normal for teenagers to eat like this, right? Like a 10-piece with fries and drinks. Cause I'm hungry. I haven't eaten nothing all morning. I had some purple water and that's it. Oh, you're not seeing my photo. Alright, go for the fries first. I mean, it's a little cold, but because I'll walk from there though. Okay, I'm hurry up, please drop. You want to try without the sauce first? Oh my god. I think the sweetness. Okay. The heat is creeping up, but it's not too hot. Ooh. Okay, so who? I think they got the best wings. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna say Buffalo Wild Wings or Wingstop, but I think they I feel like they got the best wings. Mmm, that's so good. Okay, for all the flats people. It don't matter to me. Flats or that. It don't matter to me. I'll eat both of them. Mm. Oh my god. I love chicken. Oh, it's so good. Hey y'all, today is February 26th, Thursday. I'm making some fish, some curry fish, and some sweet potatoes and cabbage. Because I don't feel like, I really was going to cook it with some dumplings, green banana. So I'm like, you know what? Since I don't have no banana, and I just throw this a yam that I've been bought from Fogo when I didn't use it. I'm like, damn, I forgot I had this yam. Like, I literally cleaned the fridge out too when I saw it the other day. And I still forgot about the damn yam. But anyways, it's gonna be my lunch, my dinner today and my lunch tomorrow at work because, yeah. But y'all, guess what? I did a TikTok yesterday and God Kartel posted me on the IG story. Kartel no. Now somebody The boss know me. You know, I thought it's a long time Kartel know me, like from the member of course, because so much people, but he been showing me love on my Instagram from I think the beginning, not the really beginning of stage of Instagram, but when I used to post him a lot. If y'all know me back in the day, I used to post Kartel a lot. The new song with Panic with my Shansia. Yeah. I did like 3 videos to say, and okay, so the thing with me is when I'm recording, because I hear my phone dying, so when I'm outside, I was doing laundry. When I was doing laundry, so I was making TikTok because I was waiting for my clothes to dry. So my phone was on lower power mode, right? So, and then when I see the video when he posted it or when I posted it, I'm like, oh, it's like I'm singing. Either I'm singing before the song or the song is coming before. Y'all know how that goes, that part. I'm like, damn, I just stopped recording in low power mode because I feel like the words is not wording up with the song. But anyways, in my instinct, and it's still posted, so I don't care. Like they say, Kartel no. The man don't know, you know. You know me though. You know me. And then he have it on his highlight on his Instagram page. So go look funny. Go on. Go on over to go fast. Yeah. I'm on his highlights. The panic is panic too. He be posting everybody that made the video. So I'm still on his story because he posted it last night around 8 o'clock. So when I checked it, I didn't even know I was on the story. When I checked it, I was just scrolling on Instagram, just checking, go through the story. And then when I reached his, I'm like, oh snap, he posted me. I didn't even know he posted me. I'm like, that part. Okay, hold on. Wait on, Jay. Make sure I have this on low because I don't like to fight on high. Not the fish, but
Inside, outside, and I'm inside. And I saw you at the party and I had to say hi. Skin bright, I'm in your tight. I want to shine, get the hottest thing outside. You want to do this, I feel the bars of your family star.
oh yeah, I went on there to see if I could. I want to repost it to my story. My DJ, that's. See, I think, okay, hold on. The song is playing, like the song is ahead of my words. I'm like, ugh, whatever, man. The man post me. When you can't chat to me, and he post me. When you can't care about one after that. Just like when I'm at Rihanna, I don't give a damn what nobody say. Till this day, I don't. I'm that bitch. I'm that girl. I'm that girl. Period. Garlic in the pot. I didn't have no pepper, so I just put garlic alone. I have no pepper. But yeah, I didn't post me. I beg, teacher post me. Nobody can't chat to me. Some people right now, nobody can't chat to me. I don't care what nobody wants to say. I don't care what nobody wants to talk about. I don't care. I didn't post me. Eh? The man post me. That's crazy because I saw another girl on his story. I'm gonna find it. She was like, teacher no. Oh shit. Like that's how I really feel too. Before I even saw that, I felt that. I'm like, Kartel post me. And he liked one of them. I'm like, hold on. He liked one of my videos? It's the one that I tagged him in, actually. Yeah, I didn't tag him in the other one. I tagged him in one. We mentioned Sia. Oh. Yeah. See them vibes Kartel. Wanna see it though? Okay. Right. March is next month. We're going to the Bow Wow and B2K, Amory, and another. I think them French Child Boys and somebody else too. So yeah, we go to the concert. We're going to the concert. Barclays, yes. I'm not going no other way. From now on, I'm gonna stick to the Barclays. We're not going nowhere else. I'm not going back to Jersey. That's too much. Take that $2.90. Well, $3 now. $3 on a train. I got this cabbage. Oh yeah, y'all. I got a church shoes from Timu. Quick look at Timu for me for this food. Okay. What's funny? Okay. I'm showing you the Timu food. This is the only thing I'm showing y'all. All you need is just look at the recipes that I needed. Oh, look at the TV shoes that I got for $3 or $4. Four, I think it was $4.20. I'm gonna put it on the screen as always. These are so freaking cute. And I'm not a really good heel person, but I'm not a heel person like that. What is that? Oh, I got some more lashes. Oh, you got a phone. Less than highly favored. I'm ironing on something. What's this? Oh, look at some liners. What? No, we call it table runners. That's what I said. What is this? Oh, I think this is the autism one. Yeah, it's the autism one. Can they fit on my table? Maybe. Oh yeah, it can. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, this is so nice. I love this. Yeah, this is one of my tables. It could fit. Might be a little short. I bought that for the month of April. That's autism month. It fits. Okay, and I bought in a regular, another one for the table. Look how small they look. These are like $3. Right? Wasn't it $3? What's the one change? One of them. People be playing with people. This one is nice. Why do you look so short? Well, it's actually long when I open this part. You see? Yeah. Oh, let me show you the back. This is how it looks. It's cute. I like it. Yeah, could definitely fit on my table. Table runner. Here it is. I remember I put the autism one on. This one is so cute. Look at the autism one. I love it. Aww. Oh, my papa. Oh, this is so cute. Listen, when you're on Temu, look, these are so cute. The heel not even high. This is all like my heels. And they sturdy, they thick. They're not pointy like regular heels. That's why I can't walk in. Oh, I want to walk in these because my Insta be hot, child. I think I could. It's comfortable. It's real comfortable. These are so freaking cute. Look at it. So cute. I love them. Check shoes. I'm in here. Tap on the face. And Aunt's table's turn. I love here. I'll get it from right thing. Whatever song. What is that? Informer. Say when me never say when me never say. And police some tell me where. Remember the who that I bless, no man curse. Pass the words. From this cemetery, pass the earth. From water house to the water world. You know the front of the song of Jesus. You can't stop me, you pass the toilet. Tell by my say, no, I'm not regret. Tell by my say, I like over there. Me a the survivor, but we pass it. When you come into me life, when you pass it, we pass it. Like the scalper. Who can make me take me last breath in Africa? That's why they know I get so quiet. Rather than a target, such a light through the body of death. You know, see me go my prison. Now see me a jail, you know. See me come and touch, give me a deal, you know. See me fly out, see me a steal. Can't give me no yield. Somebody, hey. Tell the bad mind say no more regret. Tell the bad mind say a life over there. Season. It's a reason. Oh, you push me to fuck. There we go. I like you what him. I'm not getting people. Mr. Farmer, I'm not getting people. I'm going to be 17 this year. Alright, this one, oh, this is big. Yeah, this is bigger than the one I had last year. I don't think mine was this big. It was tiny actually. Wait, okay. And I saw the keychain for my key. So, see, it says, God found some of the strongest women and made them autism mom. That part. You know when it rains and you gotta close the umbrella, put it in the bag? It's an umbrella cover. Yeah, just go on Timo, type in umbrella cover. Or umbrella protector or something like that. Yeah, but I finished cook. My cabbage, my fish, my sweet potato. Now I'm gonna relax. What time is it? 1:44 p.m. Alright, so I'm gonna go relax. Outside is nice today. It's very sunny. What's the weather? Let me see. It's 40 degrees today. Oh wow, Sunday's gonna snow again. Oh lord. Then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday and Saturday is gonna snow. I'm so tired of snow. Oh, I cannot wait for whatever, what is it, spring to come. Need to hurry up. I brought a black ball. You see how it look? Yeah, it's like, they got nice balls on. See, this how it look. It's got a lot of straps, a lot of hooks. They got nice balls on Timo. They do. They do. I never had a ball like this. Look at the back part. I like front hook ball. They're cute. I have a few of them. It's cute. Yeah, alright. The more them fight, the stronger we get. You can't stop me, I want to got it. Tell bad mindset, nah no regret. Tell bad mindset, life over death. Period. What it feel like? Anyways, let me go relax until work. Later. Hey y'all. Today's the 28th of February, the last day of February. And Kimani said he wants some Arby's, surprisingly. We walked past Wingstop. He said he want Arby's, so that's where we're going. It's nice out here today. I had my coat on and everything. I had to leave it in the house because what's too damn hot. Oh, but what you getting? What you want?
Buffalo chicken sandwich, french fries.
Yeah. He wants the number 7. All the way. I think it's, no, yeah, he wants this. It's number 7. Spicy buffalo chicken. Get a fry. I want to eat something too, but I don't know what I want. Let's order a sandwich and my child eating with me because he wanted more food. I got this fries though. They got this sandwich. It's big. It's their number what? Number 5. I'm gonna give him a half because he said he want more food. Look at him. Hey y'all. I wash my hair. So I got this on my head. Oh, wait, I bought this at Walmart yesterday. Yeah, making some eggs. It's 7 o'clock now. 7:30. Oh, I thought it was 7. 7 o'clock. 7:30. Yeah. I relaxed today. I came home. I cleaned everywhere. Showered. And I was just here laying in my couch. Watching TV. Watching what's happening. Well, what's happening now. So, but I'm like, I need something to eat. Cause so I ordered Chinese food Friday and I had leftovers and I ate it. I was supposed to come home yesterday with Mr. Van. I came home today and ate the rest of my Chinese food. That was like around 2 o'clock. Yeah, so it's 5 hours since I ate. Since I don't have nothing left, I don't want no rice because I had rice earlier. I'm like, let me make some 2 eggs and so that I bought from Walmart. I saw the sourdough bread at Walmart. It was $2 and change. I was gonna give bread a break, but when I saw this, I was like, oh. And they have this one too, Hawaiian. And they had honey wheat and something else too. But I'm like, I didn't even want to buy 2, but I'm like, Hawaiian. Because I really just wanted the sourdough. And I'm like, you know what? Whatever. And I bought some sardine. I bought browning and it broke because when we was taking some of the car, the Uber, My baby father in the driveway, they were just throwing stuff down on the by the door. So it's like the whole thing broke. I'm like, damn, yeah, I broke my damn. I paid $2.50, 58 cents for my damn brownie. So he had a stain on my sardines. And I bought 2 of these. Oops. Southwest. I want other stuff too, but I bought eggs, usual. I bought sweet potato fries. I bought sausage. I bought 2 celery. I didn't buy much because I didn't need much. Alright, I'm sure y'all this. I was gonna order this online the other day and they canceled it, right? So I ordered it with this charger right here. This charger charges fast, by the way. It's on brand, ONN Magic Bullet. It was on sale for $20. When I went in store, they didn't have black. They had white, so I had to take the white one because I really wanted this. Because the other day when I make peanut and oats porridge together, yeah, I pour it in my regular blender that I use. The mainstay one, this one. I don't know. I have this. I was thinking if I should get a cup, replaceable cup, or just buy a new blender. But I was looking online. I didn't see the cup, so that's why I had this here. At least I can throw this out now. But yeah, so I was making porridge the other day and it couldn't open. I'm like, damn, I think I didn't notice I closed it so tight, like really tight. I couldn't open the damn thing. I was like, oh my god. This is the OIN one. This is really soft. We're gonna toast it in the pot. I can got the pot right here. I could use a toaster. Use a pan. I can use a toaster, but pot right here. I can bother. Toast them just like that. Here's my smoothie stuff. These frozen bananas and strawberries. And I got apple right here that I took from Kimani first. Kimani's will be giving him snacks a lot. And I took like 3 apples, so I'm like, he probably didn't eat them, but man, let me get some from you. I haven't had apple in a while. They even have my favorite one, the golden ones. Oh, no, no. Favorite American apples. My favorite American apples is the golden apples. But I'm gonna cut one of this in there. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna use almond milk. Yeah. I use oat milk instead. Because I know this was the almond one is sweet. I'm not cutting this too tight, then I can't open it. But see, I put chia seeds in there. Shake it up. Chia seeds is in there. Sorry. Oh, that's my favorite go-to smoothie to make, strawberry banana. Hey y'all. Thinking about if I should go to, I know I want to go to the Bow Wow concert for sure, but I'm thinking of if I should go to Alkaline concert. I like his music. I haven't listened to his music in a while though. I'm not even gonna lie, like the new songs he came out with, I haven't listened to it. But I'm like, should I go to an Alkaline concert? Like I want it, I don't want to at the same time. I probably won't go, I ain't even gonna lie. I do want to go to Bow Wow. I want to go to the Millennium Tour. Bow Wow and Omari and B2K and them. Yeah, so. And I think theirs is the 28th and Alkaline is the 21st. I'm not going to Cardi either. I'm not going to keep spending my money on these people, man. 2 days ago I was thinking about like, should I go to Alkaline concert? I see it keep popping up on my friggin' Instagram when I'm scrolling on the explore page. It keep popping up, and I'm like, what you trying to tell me? Like, should I go? I want to, and I don't want to go. But anyways, I made an order on Instacart. I'm here. I made an order on Instacart. I'm here waiting for my order. It just checked out, so I made an order on Aldi. I wanted some salmon. I want some other stuff too, but I really wanted salmon. So, and I was gonna go to Aldi over here, but I don't feel like. I like to relax a lot before I go to work, and I'm trying to go to the gym, so I don't feel like going outside. So I'm waiting to these people clean the gym. It's mad early though. It's like, what time is it? It's 10:52 a.m. So I know they probably clean the gym right now, so I can't even go down there. I was gonna go outside, but I feel like I'm gonna just wait until I come home. I feel like most of the time when I'm like close to Friday, and I'm like, usually I get off work Fridays early anyways. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just go after work, get off the train closer to where I want to go, and just go there. But yeah, today's March 5th. The dress that I bought from Timu is it's really summer dress, like summer wear to church. I need to go on Fashion Nova. No Fashion Nova have sale. I need to go on Fashion Nova and get more dresses like the one I wore like 2 weeks ago. And see if I can find some dresses like that to wear to church. So I think I need to get it in a bigger size. Or get it in my size. It's just that I don't want to go to church wearing tight dresses. That's not how you're supposed to be dressing going to church. Like, it's supposed to be loose and, you know, fitted. It's supposed to be fitted, of course, but I don't know. I feel like when you go to church wearing tight dresses, it's like you're looking for attention. That's how I feel. But to each his own. I'm just saying. Because I grew up going to church in 2 pieces and dresses. So, like, you know, I mean, I know I'm grown now. I can wear whatever I want. But it's still, it's about respecting God. So, I'm going to get some more dresses and probably get a large. I think my size is a medium. So, probably get a large where it could be a little bit loose off of me. I'm going to figure it out. But yeah, I'm waiting on my order. Yeah, I made some celery juice yesterday. So, I had a good ass sleep. So my order was delivered from Aldi. Well, I see why people do this because it's very convenient. So you got cornflakes, honey crunch of oats. I never had this before, so hopefully it's good. Black beans, I love black beans. Got some croissants. I'm gonna see right here. Got some croissants because I'm gonna make me a croissant sandwich with bacon and eggs. Yeah, I saw that from what you call it, Dunkin' Donuts, because now they don't have that no more. But blueberry yogurts, love blueberries. So yeah, we got organic broccoli. Oh, I'm doing a TikTok, so that's how I'm gonna do. I got bacon. I was gonna get turkey, but I wanted a good taste of how it's gonna taste with the egg, and I didn't want to turkey bacon. Okay. I really ordered on Aldi because I wanted salmon. I haven't had salmon in a while. I think it's $11 and change. It's not bad. Yeah, see, £2. What? Okay, Aldi got the cheapest gallon milk. I don't usually I don't usually drink white milk. Like, it's been a while since I've been drinking white milk. But if I'm buying this one, I'll be buying the low fat. But this was $2 something, and Walmart and other places sell it for $4 and change. And just cause, yeah, sparkling. I love sparkling water. I'll be buying it from everywhere. I love it. It's a flavor water. And I bought a pineapple for $2. $2. It's after 12. I'm setting my nightgown. Yeah. I spent $46. I bought grapes. I bought cucumbers. It's 3 of them. I love cucumbers, and I have celery, so I might juice it together. 3 cucumbers. This bacon though, this bacon is thick. Oh, let me tell you, bacon. It's thick sliced hardwood smoked bacon. Appleton Farms. I never tried this brand before. I bought asparagus. That's why I used to hate this. But when you getting older and you gotta eat healthier, you gotta try it again. I bought 2 plantains. Didn't I pick this? Well, it's okay. I'm gonna have to wrap them in paper for them to be right. But because I don't eat plantains like this. I mean, it's good. Green plantain is good, but I'd rather it right. I tried it before. It's good. Oh, it's 3 of them. It's 3, but I didn't 2 separate ones. Okay. I didn't have banana leaf. No bananas. I'm missing bananas. Our avocados. What is it? Is it a mango? I just bought it because it was a couple cents. But this is how it look. I thought it was riper than this. This is a mango. And this is the avocados. But something is missing, man. My bananas is missing. Is it a banana? This is a banana. I thought it was a whole pack of banana. A whole thing of banana. I didn't know it was one single banana. Okay, I gotta go outside and get bananas. But not today. I'll do it tomorrow. But that's it. That's my haul. Huh?
Seen the missiles with our own two eyes and heard the explosions.
Now people get stuck in Dubai. Ciao. I love when I come to the market and I get blueberries and strawberries for $1. Lemons for $1, so bought 6 and 3 blueberries. Hey y'all. Today's what? Today's Sunday, March 8th. I just got in from work like 30 minutes ago. And I'm eating some curry goat with rice and peas and veggies. Where I bought some Jamaican flavors. Like I literally went all the way to the Bronx. Well, I left all the way from the Bronx, go to Jamaica Avenue because I was craving curry goat. You know, I always cook. Like I always cook curry chicken, but I haven't had curry goat in so long. That's how long it's been. Right? Did I have curry goat Thanksgiving? No. I thought I was supposed to. No, did I have it the previous Thanksgiving? I don't remember. I don't think so. Did I have curry goat Thanksgiving class just now? No. It was oxtail and curry chicken. But if I'm not mistaken, I think I was my grandmother daddy. I had the curry goat and roti. I think I had it before that. Yeah, I didn't have it before that. My grandmother passed 2024, so I didn't have it after that. I don't think I bought it after that. Did I? I don't remember. I don't think so. The way how this hit my taste buds though. Oh my god. Look at that. I don't use like this glass much often. It's not cream soda. It's flavored water. It's white grape. The flavored water I bought from Aldi. This right now is so good. Oh my god. But they gotta give me a little bit more curry goat though. My car. For $15. If it meat should have been more than this, I'm not even gonna lie. But next time I'm gonna cook it for myself. It was so good. I know curry goat. I think curry goat to me. I mean, it tastes good with white rice too. Because last Sunday I just chose rice and peas. And I actually prefer the curry chicken with white rice. Like, I don't like curry chicken with rice and peas. Of course I ate it before, but I don't like it like that. I prefer white rice and curry chicken. Rice and peas and curry goat, I think it is a good mix together. Kalu Bati is so good. I know I said I was gonna buy it again, but I'm hungry, okay? I haven't eaten since 10 something, so whatever. And all I had was grapes. I had a grapes and I had the donut, the jelly donut that I bought from Yummy Caribbean. So that was around like I had the grapes at 10 and I had the donut around like I think 12. And I got off work at 4. So now it's after 7. I'm getting full. Hey y'all. Today's March 23rd, and I came in a lot less to get the iron. I needed it for iron because I have one from Shein, but it was like the small, the took care of my ear, and then so I have the small, what do you call it? Like the pointy one. It was a pointy one that I bought from Shein, and I need enough. And now my hair going back, so and I need it. Plus the other one I have bought a wig from TikTok and it came, and I'm gonna wear it to work. Well, not today, tomorrow. So I need it. I need it for iron to straighten my hair. Because I threw the other one. I threw the other one that I had, so I'm like, I need this one. I need one. I didn't even know they still in here. I just came in here just to look around because I had an appointment like 2 blocks down. So I'm like, oh, I do need this. I went on TikTok to go see how much what was cheaper, but it's $15. It's not bad. $15 and it's big. I'm sure y'all this though. These are cute. This is why I started vlogging because I'm like, these are nice. There's some plaques. They got his heels and it's looking like the Jordan ones. Look, how cute they are. See clearly now the rain. It's crazy. I was watching Petite last night and this is what she was saying in our intro. She's like, I can see clearly now the rain is gone. Oh, she sounds so cute. But yeah, these are cute. I don't know about pink though. I don't like pink. They got the heels right here. They got the butterfly over here. This is cute. I'm looking for curtains, but I don't see no curtains. They used to have them back right here, but they don't have it. Oh, I think it's on. Oh, here they are. Here they are. I spoke too soon. Oh, $4.99. Yeah, I need a curtain. Do I have it? No, it's not the one I have. Oh, this what my friend Chris bought me from Amazon. This what Chris bought me from Amazon. Yeah, it was this one. Well, it's similar. I don't think it's the exact same one, but it looked like it. It looked like it, but I don't know. I don't think it is. It might be it. It might be it. I'm not sure. I might get one of these. This is how it look. Like this. So I might get this one. Don't have much options. They got gray, plain gray, and the white. I have that already, so I'm not gonna get that one. So I might just get this one, this girly one. That's what I'm spending. I'm not spending nothing else. There's some more over here, but this one is plastic. It's a liner though. Okay, all these right here is all of them right here is liners. Okay, I like this color. I might switch it. So this one is $4.99, but this one is $6.99, and oh, it feels light. Hold on, I don't know if I want to switch it now. Let's see something. It feels a little light. And it's $3.99. $7.99. This smells good, but I have the incense already, so I'm not even gonna buy that. Cocoa mango is okay. It smells good too. Where is it? This one. I was going between these two, and I had to go with the orgasm because it smells really good. I didn't really smell all the rest. I ain't been up here in so long. Last time I've been here is in January. We're in March, almost. Yeah, we're in March. So I didn't. It's been a minute since I came up here. But yeah, I'm gonna get one. And they got the sprays too, but they don't have the sprays in this one that I want. They got the fresh aqua. They got that. The same price too. It's $2.99. You and me together. Oh, it's jasmine in the back. Oh yeah, jasmine smells good too. I did smell jasmine. But I want the oil because I wanted to pour it in the. I have the thing I could pour the oil on, so I could smell up the house. I don't have to spray. It smells good. I don't have to spray it. You have these little personal bottles. I don't got no powder. Wait, watermelon lemonade. That's smell this one. I don't got it. Ooh, they don't have this in the oil? Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. They don't have it in the bottle? Dang. I saw the color and I just put my hand back there and took it up. Now, okay, now I'm going to change the other one. Okay, let me check it out. But the spray bottle smells better than this. Oh, it's the same thing. Like, I don't get it. Like, wow, the bottle smells better. The bottle smells stronger. It smells light. It smells like it, but it don't smell as strong as the bottle. I'm so confused. So confused. This smells stronger. Really strong. I don't know why. Maybe essential oils. Pour a few drops of your favorite expressive scent oil in an oil burner and allow the aroma to scent in your home or office. That's what I want this for, but it's not strong enough. I'm gonna have to go back to the orgasm. Yeah, because I'm not getting that spray. That's way too small. Alright, I'm gonna go back to this. And then we're about to leave. These body washes. They're definitely worth the price. The size. It's got the coconuts, hyaluronic acid. This one smells really good. I smell this one and this one too. The hibiscus and watermelon. I didn't smell the turmeric and brown sugar, but I'm sure it smells good. We got the African black soap right here. These are natural soaps. I think I showed you this. I don't remember. Maybe in a vlog like a couple months ago. I don't know. And then they got these right here. Yep, body lotion. Honey, aloe vera, rose, and hyaluronic acid. But yeah, they don't have no more tea bags. I don't see the tea bag no more. Dang, they changed up the whole place. But let me go. I don't got nothing else. I don't buy nothing else. Because what I want, they don't have. This right here smells so good. Smells just like peppermint. I didn't smell this one. Cocoa butter scent. So I did not smell that one. I'll spend $25 in Lawless. $25.01. Boy, I was gonna wait for the bus, but it actually says 17 minutes. I'm gonna walk. It's cold out here. I'm gonna go inside and make some soup. Chicken back soup. That I want for dinner. I think my favorite soup is chicken foot or chicken back, but chicken soup overall because I feel like, you know, I'm gonna make some red pea soup. I haven't made red pea soup in so long, like years. Oh, it's been a while since, I swear. I don't know. I feel like I said, I'm a chicken person. I love chicken. Me and chicken go together real bad. So it's like I don't care to make no other soup, but I need to start drinking all the soup. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. I don't think I've ever walked this block before. No, I walked the other side. Yeah, look where you go, sir. Y'all pull out fast with a big truck. I'm gonna see how when we get to the place. My aunt call. It's me walking past this store where they sell clothes and stuff. Like, it's a really big store. It sells everything. Clothes, appliances, suitcases. It's really big. But look what I found. I don't know. This is the name of the store. I don't know if it's D Square or D. I don't know. That's given the Gemini sign, but I don't know what's this called. But 8 containers for $2.49. I'm getting this. Look. They're cheap. They got white, but I don't want no white. It's huge. Like I said, they sell clothes and everything. Let me go back there. So they got curtains. Let me see what they have back there. What's the name? The name of the store?
Oh, name of the store. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Deal and discount or the Asian Church D2.
D2? Okay, thank you. Okay. She said D2. I back there I was like D Square. I don't know. But that's close. Yeah, there's cool stuff in here. This is big. I've been over here for a year and I never see this place. Well, honestly, I never came to this area. I never walked. I never walked up this area, up this side, so I wouldn't know. I'm talking about the tissue. This, wow, these are thick. Look how thick they are. You can say that's worth the price because it's thick. Y'all see how big it is? Look, huge. See me, stop loving you, girl. So many people wanna see me. Stop loving you. But, oh, look at the mats. It's nice in here. I like it. I got night mats. Nice mats. The set. We got those up there. This is nice. I like it. Oh, these are nice. I love. Oh, that brown. Wow. That's popping. That is the. It's so thick. Oh, $25. Okay. You see these colors? It's giving. All right. Oh, they got the window curtains. I could have came and got my window curtain. Let me see how long it is though. Nah, it's 84 inch. 84 inch still. They don't have past 84, it seems. Look at that mat right there. Even the blue one is cool, but this one is fire. Pretty. So damn pretty. I found shower curtains. And they're very cute. Look at this color. Oh, this is plastic. This one is cloth. 100% polyester. This is pretty. Oh, this one is cute too. And these are $5.99. This is not bad. Okay, now I know I could come get my curtains. Because Lotless don't have much options. I'm so glad I walked so I could find. See, this is how you gotta walk the area so you can know the place. Because I never came on down this side before, ever. So, look at that for $8.99. This is so cute. Oh my god. I'm glad I found this store. I was born a winner. Period. Look at this. Wow. Wow. That is so fire. Wait, I got a round table though. This is flannel. How does this look? This is square. I need round. These are so. You can't tell me these are not cute. Look at these. Oh my god. So freaking cute. And we got the table mats. Place mats. Whatever you want to call them. Nice. Oh, here's round right here. I don't know what. Okay, whatever. This is cute. Should I buy this? Oh, but the green one. Okay, so I'm not gonna buy this right now because I think I bought like two. I bought like two tablecloths from Temu, and I bought the one that go in the middle, like the piece that you could just put on a table. It's not a tablecloth, but you could just put on a table. I forgot what it's called. I bought like two of those already, so I'm not gonna buy them right now. At least I know where to come. I love it for me. They need to have this in a round one because that's cute. All right, they're so cute. I love them. I got the knife set right here. $30. Oh, this whole time they had a. Oh, see, and I went all the way to Walmart in Queens. Well, Queens by Long to get a garbage bin, and they had garbage bin here, but I don't see the price. Oh, $16.99. I could have came up here and got a garbage bin, bro. See, I never knew about this place though. What do they have this spot? Oh, my pass it. Well, this is not really the Jamaican Dutch pot, but it's close. I think this one I bought last time from some place on Utica. Something like this. Don't live like people do. They always remember you. So good or bad. Alright. I don't see. They don't even have the thick one. Look how small. Look how much this one is. This one is small. Look how much it is. It's better if you buy the pot set together. But buying this single like this, separate like that, is not. That's a waste of money. 169, not bad. That's what they say is not. It's not even full. You don't feel full. Oh wow! Look at this crumble. That's funny. It's Dove and crumble. These are cute. Oh, mango mojo. They got peachy leche. These bottles are cute. Coconut shea, hand soap. How much of this? How much is this price? $6.99, not bad. Okay. Yo, that's crazy. And low on I wait on my look at the dish racks. And look how long I waited on my I had one of these. I don't know where it is. I bought one of these from Timo and I don't know where it is. Like so somebody stole it out my room. My last other place I was at. Oh, here's the tray that I have, but it's bigger than this. And I paid the same price. I paid the same price for it and it's double this. Oh yeah, this one right here. I think it was this one right here. Right, was it $5.99 or $4.99? But it was $4.99. I remember spending $5. This is the one, but it's not bad. $1 more, I guess. Yeah, I was saying, look how I waited on Timo for my dish rack, and I could have came here and bought one, but I didn't know. I did not know, but now I know. If I need anything kitchen wise, I could come up here because this store is huge. Look at this too. Look at this. Too much sugar. They got coconut water. I get this one. $1.79 for the coconut water. I am thirsty. Alright, that's it. See, there's a lot of stuff in here. I put it back for 25 cents. I ain't need it. I just wanted to on an extra bag. And I'm glad I walk. So I'm not the type of person. I love to walk. I don't mind walking. I'm a walker. So yeah. I see the train station, so that's how I know I'm close by. It's getting cold out here. I ended up going inside though. It's too cold, man. I'm about to go right here. And there's another one right there. But I'm the type of person I like to look around before I buy elsewhere. Is that dollar strawberry? Look at me. Look at that. God loves me, man. I do have blueberries in the freezer, so I'm gonna get like 3 of these. This is cute, but it's giving Valentine's Day. I don't know. Oh, man, they got dollar strawberries too. Oh wow, the grapes. They got bigger bags over here. See, they got dollar strawberries over here too. It's not bad. Or $2 for the blueberry. I want apple. Not apple. What's it called? I need for my soup carrot. Let's see if they have carrot in here. If not, I could get it from the other store down there. You know, I'm not going to go in this store. I'm not lying. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna do it. We're gonna go to the other one down the block. Then I could go home because it's drizzling. We're gonna try this coconut water. Hopefully it tastes good. It's Brazilian coconut water. Oh Lord. Let's see. It could be better. It have a little weird taste to it. But I'm gonna drink it because I spent my money for it. Okay. I'm so tired. Oh, I just got in. It's 6:03. Yo, I'm sure that'll kill me. I'm tired. I picked up 2 packages downstairs. My sheet order came. It's a pair of jeans I'm gonna wear to the Bow Wow concert. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you. Okay, so I heard about the yeah, I didn't go to the Alkaline concert because like me at Gaza, not been there, but I like some of his songs. So it's like he got hits. So I'm not gonna lie, he got hits. And yeah, I don't know. I feel like Kartel are really my artists. So like a couple weeks ago, I thought about it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, should I go? But it never really it wasn't on me heavily to go, so I didn't go. Plus, I wanted to go. I'm going to the Millennium Tour this Saturday. So these are my jeans that came. It's like a cargo jeans. It's not baggy. It's a little tight, not tight, but it's fitted. Yeah. So I think this is it. And then this is my order from TikTok. Alright, man. Ugh, this is the flat iron. I like it. I really do. It's giving. It's big. It's worth the price. Yeah, because I just bought a wig from TikTok and I didn't have no flat iron to flat iron it. So I'm like, you know what? And honestly, I forgot all about it too. I ain't even gonna lie. It was because I was in there in Blacklist looking around and I saw it. I was like, oh, I need this. Because I saw I one from Shein. Oh no, I think I said I was gonna get it from a beauty supply store. I was gonna get it from a beauty supply store, but I forgot that Blacklist sell stuff like that too. So it's a good thing I went in there. It's really big. Oh, I love this. I think I just don't miss my own sweater. I got another sweater. The gray sweater. The hoodie part is messed up. So I don't wear that. I don't wear that outside anymore. I wear it in the house or I wear to the gym. But the okay. I have a brown sweater, but I don't want to wear a brown sweater with a brown jacket. I'm weird like that. I do have a yellow sweater too. I forgot all about that yellow sweater. Okay. So I have it from Primark. Oh, I need to go to Primark and get some sweaters. Yeah, okay. One of these days I'm going to Jamaica Avenue or go downtown Brooklyn to Primark. Hopefully they have the sweaters. It's big and it's heavy. It's feeling heavy duty. It's giving. I like that. And here's where the heat numbers. Well played for iron. 75% faster results with one press. Wow. Charcoal ceramic for a smooth glide, great for second day here. Right here. Alright, yeah. So it's got the buttons on the side. Alright, see? It's called D2. 8 of these for $2.49. I could not walk past this. I was like, and I've been said I needed some new. I said I was gonna go to Dollar Tree, but Dollar Tree is $150, and then imagine 150 times 8 is how much? 150 times 8. It's $12. $12, okay? And plus tax. So I saved $12 minus $2.49. I saved almost $10. Like Hello? I'm a bargain girl. I don't care what nobody say. I'm a forever be a good bargain girl. And even when I get rich, I'm gonna be a bargain girl. I saw a video. I retweeted. I saw a video of Tiffany. What's her name? Tiffany Haddish. She wore the same white dress to 4 events. I don't wrong her because she said that dress was the price of the mortgage or something like that. Like, yeah, that's me. It's the reason why I'm seeing this video, because I'm not that person. I'm not gonna keep spending money. I'm not one of those person that keep buying stuff to go to every event. Like, I don't need a new outfit. Like, meaning I don't have to buy a new outfit to go to a new event unless I don't have something in my closet. But I know I have clothes in my closet. Unless it's like an artist and I want to wear their shirt with their face on it. But other than that, I'll put my closet. I'm gonna throw something together. I'm gonna throw something together. Because no, I'm not gonna keep buying stuff. Because I gotta go somewhere. To each his own. But yeah. What else I got in this bag? It's unbelievable to me. The curtain that I bought. Shower curtain. Oh yeah, this coconut water tastes frig. It's spilled. Oh crap. Oh yeah, and this scent. I need to lay down. I'm gonna lay down for like an hour. And then I'm gonna come cut my shoulder here, so. Cause I bring this heavy bag here, so. The bag here. The bag heavy. Alright, so what we bought here? We bought carrot, potato. And I usually, you know, I haven't cooked chicken soup with pumpkin, so it's really pumpkin soup. It's not really. It's still chicken soup, right? But they call it pumpkin soup because you're putting pumpkin in there. If you put pumpkin in there, it's pumpkin soup. Whether it's chicken, I think it was chicken, mostly chicken. I don't think people put like beef and stuff in pumpkin soup. I don't know, maybe. But yeah, it's been a while since I've been cooking red pea soup. I need to start cooking red pea soup. You know how long I'm gonna cook that? It's so long I haven't cooked that. Like years, for real. Oh, the cooked chicken soup. Told you I'm chicken girl. That's my thing. But I got some grapes for $1. They're not perfect, but they're not bad. And I got the 3 strawberries for $1. Yeah. 1. 2. And 3. One thing about me, I'm telling y'all, like, I'm a bargain girl. Okay, I don't play. I'm not buying strawberries for $3, $4. I don't even want to buy it for 2. But I did before. But I love to see, and they're good. They're not bad. That's the thing. Like, you can see, look. I'm gonna show you the bottom, especially the bottom. The bottoms is good. Just check the bottoms. Like, there's nothing wrong with them. See the price there? Sliced pumpkin. Smallest piece of 6, so I picked it up. And I got some dollar banana for my smoothie. I love buying these bananas like this because you could just put them in the freezer. Like, not like, skin them, of course. Remove the skin and just add it in the freezer. And that's how I make my smoothies. Man, I got this. I walk up and down too much today. That's my exercise for the day. What I walking needle. My phone. Oh, my phone is right here. And I'm like, where's my phone? But I was trying to check how much I was going to check how many miles I walk. How many steps I took, I mean. It's got to be a lot because health. I walk so much. So I'm tired, man. 7,000, right? 7,000 steps I took today. I took 7,000 steps today. You see the date is there? It's the date. March 23rd. Why should you 4,000? Didn't I just see 7,000? I'm not bugging. Oh, because I'm like, what? See, today, 7,214 steps. I see a video the other day too. Is it like when you do a lot of walking, you can lose weight that too. If you get up and walk every day, like probably like, I don't know how many miles, but I don't know how many miles this is I walk today. How many miles is that? You don't show on here? You don't show how many miles, but I took a lot of steps today. Wow. approximately 3.4 to 3.6 miles, depending on your stride length and walking speed. Yeah, I did that. Oh, child. I wasn't walking fast though. I was not. I was walking regular pace. I was not pole walking nothing. That's regular pace. And then I gotta go back down there Wednesday. Cause we getting these braces. Like I said, I gotta go back down Wednesday for a consultation. I'm gonna get the wire braces.
I'm stronger, I'm wiser, I'm better, much better. I made it. Woo!
I'm making some soup, y'all. Never would have made it. Never could have made it. I'm gonna put the corn in. I put the chicken in. The potato. I put the potato and the carrot in. I forgot the corn because I had it right there. I'm like, hold on, let me do something. And I'll put the scallion until after. Right? Listen, I cook soup. Most of the time, I don't go by, like, yeah, I put this first, I put this last. Hello, it's gonna come out the same. Probably it's gonna come out the same, and it's gonna taste good. Because my soup is busting. My soup tastes good. Never would have made it. Never. This something different. When you've been through shit, oh, sorry, my man. When you've been through hell and back, this song hit different. Okay? If you know, you know. This is how the size of the corn look. I'm gonna chop it in two. I'm not even big in the pots. Family old. I'm not sure if they don't care. I'm not sure. I'm not throwing it away. It's something just drop on the floor, so chop. Just find that pot right now, y'all. Corn. I love me some corn. You know how long I bought this corn from Walmart? I'm supposed to been cook some soup. Like, if I don't have this corn in there from last year, I'll be lying. I think it's from last year I had it in there. I want to expire. In the expire though. In the expire. February 2027. I'm good. Never felt like giving up, but God kept me. Period. Woo, thank you, Jesus. Thank you for your mercy. I almost let go. What's his name? Kurt Carr. Oh, one more corn need already. 2. So there's 4 pieces, 2 more. Okay. That's good enough. Oh, sorry y'all. Today's what? Today's the hour. March 24th. Oh, me close. I had to put garlic in there too. Cause I have a lot of garlic and I'm like, I need to use this garlic up before it dry out. I don't make my dumplings small. I don't usually make it small, but I make it like small, like this size. And some spinach too. I'm gonna mix it with the wheat flour and the regular flour. I'm gonna put these in there because I had cooked some rice with this, so I'm gonna put them in there. It looks crazy. I wasn't sure that I had chicken soup, but I know I usually pick up when I go to Walmart and I didn't cook no soup this year, so I'm like I have to have one, at least one. So I'm like, not me trying to cook soup. I remember I was just cooking soup yesterday and I got tired. I didn't cook. Yeah, it's a different day. This is the morning. Well, it's afternoon. After one time now. Yeah. So I eat nothing yet. All I had was some lemon water with go back first. Lemon water with So I'm here today because God kept me. I'm alive today only because of your grace. Oh, He kept me. Woo. God kept me. He kept me. What I was saying? Hold on. I almost let go. I didn't. I was fighting through everything. Because who letting go? Not me. Who leaving their child behind? Not me. Listen. So. What they cleaning outside? Y'all hear the vacuum. God mercy. This song is different, man. This is another song that is different. Yeah, so I was saying I had lemon water with chlorophyll. That's all I drink. That's all I had this morning, so that's my breakfast. Now it's time to make the flour. Oh yeah, wait, I'm gonna put the thing. I'm gonna mix this in there now. What am I waiting for? It's supposed to mix in with the stuff. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. It won't work. That's my area first. That's why I'm making this dumpling. My lemon area dirty. I don't like it. I'm putting it at time. I'm putting dumpling. Yeah. He will come through. Stand by his word. He will come through. Everybody, lands of my enemy. I will stand my ground with the Lord on my side. And I succeed, amen. Wheat flour. I need another container for this morning. I feel like something is missing. I look at that. Back what the devil stole from me, and the pot don't have enough color, so you know it's crazy. I think it's the pumpkin mix I use, not the like. I think I mix it. I mixed it with the braised chicken soup, and I mixed it with the pumpkin, so that's why I give that bright flavor. But now you know bright enough, so it's a good thing about pumpkin. I'm put pumpkin in there because white pot no. Hello, damn, that means this pumpkin should go in first, you know. But it don't matter. But you know, cook said we and yeah. So, I wash the pumpkin already. Hey, this one thing I hear about pumpkin. I gotta dip the skin. Oh, I can't make butter. That's not like cook pumpkin some more. I'm gonna buy actual pumpkin. I rather the mix. I'm reaping the harvest God promised me. Period. I did the dumpling, didn't I? I did, I know. I tried to make them small, but I'm let that boil. So I should have put in the pumpkin, but I forgot. Like that's been a while since I put chicken soup, and I know that I always mix the pumpkin with the chicken soup. And see, it's the reason why I put the pumpkin yesterday because maybe I knew that I didn't have one. I don't know. I blend it up and I throw it in the pot. See, it got the color now because before it didn't have the color. So yeah, so I know I messed up, but listen, the soup won't taste the same because it's supposed to be in. The pumpkin should have went in first, and you have to show the skeleton time into it. Listen, I don't care. I'm hungry. I just want the soup to be done. And the thing is, people cook different, you know. I know certain things have to go in first, like the chicken, whatever meat you put it in, and especially the pumpkin, it's also going together. I think the corn after. No, I think the corn could go in before the dumpling. Listen, we can't do that. Here, if I want to throw everything in the pot different time, this is my pot. I do what I want. It's still gonna say the same. Still gonna say the same. Like, what's the difference? Let me say, as long as the meat go in before anything else, the meat and the if you put pumpkin in there, yeah, that's so. But listen, whatever, man. But yeah. Top of the world from top of me. And then I'm like clean this up right now. Listen, cooking take a lot of you, you know. Worthy. What is the I did blend it up. I blended it up. I was not playing. I was putting it up at first, but I'm like, hold on. I need to add more water too. So I'm like, you know, I'm just blend it up with some water and then just throw it in. Listen, yo, I'm so mad because the other day when I was drinking I did something out of the glass, right? And then I washed it and I put it right here. I was taking out a plate and then something broke my ass up on the floor. My Margaritaville glass that I got from Jamaica in 2023. I'm so mad. It was this is what I was drinking my lemon water out of since last week. Because I was constantly drinking lemon water daily. As soon as I get up, that's the first thing I drink. And the friggin' glass broke. So mad. Look. Look, Margaritaville. Oh, I gotta show my hands here. I'm gonna show this right now. But anyways, I just want to show y'all this because I'm so mad. I'm like, damn, yo. Can't believe my glass broke. I'm gonna go back to Margaritaville and get another one. Because it was a good glass to have. You know, I have this glass 3 years now. So mad the freaking glass broke, yo. It's a good size glass. Oh, I was just crying. I didn't want to, nah, like, I wanted to cry. Because I'm like, damn, man. Oh, the soup looking good. I know. The soup was looking yummy. Period. But if it can't cook. Period. Like, if it can't cook. Whatever. But make it can't cook. Soup there. Today is a new day. Hey. It's actually a lot of sunshine outside, so we ain't gonna sing that part. Outside is really nice today, actually. So the sun is definitely out. It's nice. The soup is giving. Stir it a bit. I almost gave up. I can't explain. Fell from heaven like a shower now. I smile. Even when it hurts me, I smile. I know God is working, so I smile. Even if I'm in it for a while, I smile. You got faith, y'all. Hey. Oh, oh. Give up now. Don't give up. You look so much better when you smile. So smile. All right. Look in the mirror. I gotta wash these up. I'm washing my right now. Oh, you know what I heard the other day? I saw a video of a girl, a lady, I put her name. I think I retweeted it. Repost it. Repost, whatever. It's called Higher. Oh, you go higher. Oh, you go again. Higher. I don't remember. But it was some old school Jamaican song. And I was gonna hear the song there. It's been a while. Cause I don't play about germs, so yeah. I put up with play dumpling though, I'm not like overpower. I put with dumpling. I did. I don't think I didn't have was pepper. That you have love. I'm about to bust this up right now. Yeah. It's about that time. I still have my apron on. I didn't even notice that. I'm not getting it right now. I'm about to eat this up. Oh, Lord bless this food and the hands that made it. May it be nourishment to my body. Amen. I chef, you know. I chef long time. It's like, you know, when you cook your food, and you see me like surprised, like, girl, you really can't cook, you know, you really can't cook. Like, you really can't cook. It tastes so good. I'm not saying this because of my food. It really does taste good. Like this can be this can sell in a restaurant. Yes, it can. And I cut up my chicken back, and then I didn't. I want to put on the sit here. I'm leaving the chicken back on it. Eat it right now. Couldn't come with the small dumpling. This is the first time I've ever made dumpling so small. First time ever. This is not my normal size, so I make it regular. But I want to do something different. You know it's tea when the two fingers clapping. Oh, yeah, TikTok too, yeah. Oh, yeah. Where's my pimento? Backside, I hate the taste of that thing. I don't know why I put them up in.
Like Chinese was so the clip doll.
I just cut up my strawberries, washed them, and I put some in here. I don't know where my cover is. I gotta find it. But yeah, this was a snack for work. But this I'm gonna freeze them for my smoothies. And these bananas right here, I'm about to peel them and put them in the freezer. Cause that's my smoothies too. Yes, but right now I'm about to drink this with lemon. And later I got the smoothie This is grapes. You can see green grapes, strawberries, and bananas, and the chia seed. This is for work too. So yeah, 'cause I'm trying to get this body right. Summer's on the way. Yeah. It's my meal. It's 2:30 right now. It's my first meal of the day, and we got a smoothie right here. We're gonna take our vitamins. Yeah, today's Thursday. Hey y'all. Today is March 28th. Today I'm going to the Bow Wow concert. I'm going to the Millennium. I'm gonna go see Bow Wow and Omarion and them. A few more people, Emery and other people. So I came here to show you. I have all the packages, but I'm gonna open one right now. The cargo jeans we're wearing. Wait, I'm gonna wear with a green sweater. I'm gonna put it on the side of the screen. These were like $13. Was it shipping fee? I don't remember. I hope it's in my size. I hope I didn't buy big either. Perfect. And it stretches. Oh, it stretches. Look, it's so cute. Oh, the bottom is. I didn't even see how the bottom was. Oh crap, that's how the bottom was. Oh look. Okay. And this is it. I didn't even notice that the bottom was like this. Whatever. And this how the back is. Got 4 pockets. It's 4 cargo. Two on each side. So, and it's stretch. Yes. We ready? Well, I'm gonna wear with this though. You see, I'm gonna wear my Timbs because I did buy the mac and cheese Timbs from Snipes. It was on sale for $40, and I didn't even wear it. So I might wear that with it. Okay, so this is the outfit. We getting this green American Eagle sweater. I need just to rip the tag off. I never wear this sweater ever. So we're in this with that. And because the weather is a little nippy today, and no, I'm coming back late, so it's gonna be cold. So maybe we're in these because I never wear these either. I bought them, like I said, for $40. It was on sale. The price is $95, but I got it for $40. And this is what we're wearing. Yeah, that's the outfit. So the jacket, right? I'm not gonna wear my regular brown jacket because the back is kind of dirty. I'm not gonna lie. So I don't know if I should wear that jacket. Either I'm gonna wear this one. You hear my side? This one or this one. And now this, I know this one don't really go with it because it's light, but this one don't go with it either. So I don't know. And I don't want to be too much in my shit anyway. So I'm pretty sure the jacket could be a little bit off. I got 2 more hours to get ready. I'm gonna put some lashes on. Not with no damn makeup. I don't got time for that. The bag. I gotta figure it out and come back because I don't know. Hey y'all. I just got in. I had a time. I just got in. I'm so tired. Tired as hell. Yeah. Hey y'all. Today's Sunday. March 29th. I just came in the store because I'm about to go see Gemini, but I'm like 30 minutes early. So I came here to get him some ribs, and then I'm like, I didn't get to eat anything. So I was looking for something with banana in there. I was gonna get a loose banana, but I don't see them. But I see these muffins right here, but their price is like $7.99. Like it's pricey. This one, just pineapple coconuts. Oh my god, I know this tastes good. And they got the blueberry right here. This is one I was looking for, the banana nut one. But damn, I don't want all this. Okay, I'm just going to the register and get out of here. Go to the bathroom first. Go pee before I go on this van. Trying to figure out if I should get this lip balm or this one. Money said this one, so maybe this one. I could give him one of it because I actually just left my lip balm home. I don't really need it. So I might just go with this one so I could give him one. Because when I buy him these, he don't use it. He don't like it, I guess. He don't like that one. And these too. But he don't like it. So this is the Vaseline he be using on his lip. Not this exact one, like regular Vaseline he uses on his lip. So I'm just getting this. Well, get this and give him one. And I found this scrub again that I ain't seen a Dollar Tree in a minute. I wish I had my other one that I usually get, the blue one. I don't see it though. Come on, baby. All right, they got this right here. Come here, boy. So I just told you to stay right here. You know what I'm telling me to stay right here? You keep walking away. This. I can't open it. I don't know how it look though. Cleansing balm. Um, and I saw this over here because I bought this one last time. I bought the oatmeal cleanser last time. I thought she don't have nothing. I went in the other day, they didn't have nothing. Oh yeah, I came here for olive oil because I want to do the olive oil and lemon shot that I've been seeing on social media. Even though I've been drinking lemon water for the past week straight, like every morning when I get up, it's the first thing I drink before I eat something. Need some lemon water. I'm trying to get this body right. I need some wipes. I need a bigger pack than this. They got aloe vera and vitamin C. But I just started using my vitamin C soap that I bought from the Timo, so I'm never gonna get that. If anything, I'll just wash my face when I go home. Every time I come inside. But this is acne prone. It's got witch hazel in there too. Licorice root, eucalyptus oil. I remember this brand in my face, so I'm think I'm gonna just use this. A little goes a long way. I'm gonna hold this up because I didn't finish on this one yet. I didn't see that one last time when I saw this one. That one was not there because I would have got it because it says for acne prone skin. See all that stuff in there. Let's go get. Should I get another tea tree oil? I think I have one though. I think I have one already. Because I need it for my scalp. I just washed my hair the other day. Oh, I need pads. Definitely need pads. Okay. Some pads. Look at them. Look at these people, y'all. So, anyways, I need some pads. Where the wings at? I got no wings. This one they got with wings. 10 count. I might use this one. Yeah. I need some penny liners. Funny. Well, I feel like you're not supposed to have wings. No? Am I bugging? I'm bugging? I think I'm bugging. I don't think they come with wings. That's 8. That's 20. We won't keep that one. Alright, let's go get this olive oil and go. Not Goldie coming out with the matcha gummies. Oh, they got the creatine too. I think I saw this one before. So cute. Oh look, tic-tac-toe. I like this out. It's just cute. So hard for me to choose which candle I want. I try this one. This one smells really good. I think I might try this one today. Creamy sweet apple. Oh, creamy cashmere. Let me see how this smells. It's not bad. It's light though. I like scented candles. Like I like the room to be smelled up with the scent. Like I want to smell the candle. Citrus champagne. Did I try this one already? I think I might. I don't remember. Should I get 2? I'm not trying to travel with a lot of stuff today. Like these are very strong. Like the hazelnut and the macchiato and these brown ones. Like they give the scent. Like they don't play. But like these light ones right here, you gotta go with the fruits and yeah. But the other ones they be so light. But I think I'll just keep these two today. I feel like I tried this one already. I want to try something different. Should I go for the caramel? Let me see the hazelnut cream. Hazelnut cream is not bad either. Okay, we're gonna stick to these 2. Alright. Alright, let's go. Yeah, I'm not gonna buy a lot of stuff. I don't need a lot of stuff. I know Kimani might, but not me. I'm good. All right, let's go, Papa. Let's go shop. You cannot tell me this don't smell good. Look at that. Mango splash. I know that smells good. What's the price? It's not bad. I don't feel like spending that right now. Let me see. They got the Walmart brand. Anyone? They got this one too. Single watermelon. What Walmart brand they got? Because it's 148. No, that's not it. That's Glade. It's summertime. I had all these already. I don't even want to buy this no more. Should I get one? That's Glade. Walmart one is 97 cents. We're gonna go with this one. They don't have spray though. I don't even need it. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. I know this smells good. Pineapple. Oh my goodness. This smells so good. Like you want to drink it. Pineapple breeze. This is a mango bliss. This is cute. I like that. 348. Found some seaweed. It's loose ones for 84 cents. But I saw this pack right here, and I don't know how much it is. I don't see the price. Is it this? Oh yeah, 348. Oh, this is $3. And then that pack is 388. So I might as well just get this if I'm really gonna get it. I'll really get two of the single ones and call it a day. Cause sea salt. This card so far. Not much. Kimani? Yeah. Listen. I try not to get him no Oreo. Cause I'm like, I was so serious about it. But his father then went behind my back and gave it to him. Yep. So I can't win with both of them. Pretty much. Cause I'm trying to get him the other one. The Chips Ahoy. And he don't, cause honestly he been eating Oreo since he was a kid. Like since he was a child. So it's hard to break him out of it now. Like I knew it was gonna be hard. He ate the Chips Ahoy though, but he just like he's so stuck on the Oreo, cause he's like I said, that's his favorite snack ever. That's the only cookies he ever ate was Oreos. So try to break him out of it now. I knew it was gonna be hard. I knew it was gonna be hard. But I saw that video for a reason. Let me get my pumpkin soup, because the other day when I was cooking it, and I need another coconut milk. Don't got a pumpkin soup. Don't got the pumpkin one. Oh, it's right here in front of me. Is this pumpkin? No, it says spicy. But pumpkin one there. I bet chicken one me I see. So which is this one? This one is why is two different flavor cock soup milk one? Where's the pumpkin? Yo, that soup I made the other day. That pumpkin soup I made the other day was everything. Oh my goodness. Spicy chicken soup mix. I'm not doing this. I still have pumpkin home. I still have pumpkin, but still. You got no pumpkin mix here? Yeah, okay. Cream crackers. Should I get a cream cracker? No. Don't want that back too easily. This Excelsior cream crackers crack up too easily. Like, I'd rather the National one. I'm gonna get one of this. I should get one or two. I think I need two. Or should I get one? I just make the pumpkin with it. I get one. I want coconut milk. Yeah. I got asparagus on sale for $197. Definitely getting one of them. I gotta find another way to cook it though, because sometimes when I cook it, some of them is like cooked soft and the rest is like chewy. So I don't like that consistency. So yeah, I need to do this again because I'm gonna do some juicing today. Well, tomorrow. You want to get them what, empanadas? See, the price didn't even go down for this yet. I'm not buying that again. That was $297 last time I bought it. I'm not buying it. What's that you took up? Tomato? You want a tomato?
Yeah.
Find all this stuff for his empanadas. Look what he picked up. We came all the way around this side. He's talking about empanadas. And I'm like, and he's like, onion and peppers. All right, one of each. Oh yeah, green pepper too. Get that. One green pepper, okay? Get a good one. That's it's small. Yeah, this good. This one is better. He just make sure he just making sure I pick it up. But sometimes I'll be putting stuff back. Oh, put this one back. I don't want that one. Put that one back. Oh, you got right here. Green pepper. Told you I don't need much stuff. That's it. Look at this garlic toast in the bread in the bag. Hey y'all, I'm home. So I'm boiling 2 eggs right now because I'm about to eat it with the big chicken, the rotisserie chicken I got from Walmart. Cause I don't know, I ain't had nothing else to eat when I come. I'm pretty cereal, but I don't want to cereal. I ain't got chicken, so I got that. This one is lemon pepper, whole rotisserie. It was $5.90 something. $5.97. Lemon pepper flavored. So we're about to cut some of this, put it in the air fryer. Yeah, so we're gonna cut like 2 pieces or like gonna tie together, put in the air fryer, eat with the egg. That's it. I was gonna cut some lettuce, but I'm too tired. I'm tired. I don't got time to. I want to cut nothing. I didn't start washing dishes and I stopped. I'm tired. So baby, my body needs to be rested, okay? But alright, I'm just gonna even quick as a haul, literally quickly because I didn't get much from Walmart. So I really wanted to go juicing stuff though, because I'm gonna need to go back to juicing. So I got celery. I have one in the fridge. I'm gonna do some juicing tomorrow. I got 2. What do you call these apples again? 2 what's her name? Apples. I forgot her name. What's the name of the apples? Green apples. Yeah. Because I'm definitely gonna go juicing. Got some avocado. These were $2.97, so I had to get them. It's 5 in there. I got 3 cucumbers because I'm finished. Yeah, back to juicing like I said. Wait a minute. 3, 2, 3. I bought one of this. I love these water. And I got the air freshener. I bought a coconut water. Did I drink this one from? Yeah, I think it's from. I'm second time I buy it from Walmart. It actually tastes good. This is their brand, so it actually tastes good. It's not bad. Oh, this is one with pulp. Okay. I got 2. Oh my god, this is so. You could drink this room temperature because when I opened it in Walmart and I started drinking it because I was thirsty. Of course, I paid for it, but it tastes good. Room temperature too. I got coconut milk. I got 2 of these seaweed stuff. It was 84 cents. I showed y'all. So hopefully it tastes good. I bought these 2 candles. The hazelnut cream, hazelnut caramel and vanilla. And I bought this one too, the sweet apple, which is juicy apple, pear, and vanilla. Okay. It smells really good. And I have the vanilla burning, the one that I showed y'all the other day. I just like the styrofoam candles. I just want this place to smell good. Right? I bought a mac and cheese because we've been here. I had the mac and cheese. I wouldn't bought one. Oh yeah. Oh, let me give y'all. I'm gonna put y'all on real quick. Hold on. I forgot to show y'all this. This is the best chicken sandwich from Walmart. It's raw, original, a spicy, crispy chicken sandwich. It's 6 come in the bag. 13 grams of protein. I ate it the other day with a wrap, like the wheat wrap. Oh my god, like it tastes so good. No artificial colors, no artificial flavors, preservatives. Chicken raised without added hormones. Right there. See? Yeah. Oh yeah, they good. Cause I do have one in the fridge. Hold on, let me show y'all. I only got 1 more left in this. Is it 2 or it's 2? 2 more for this one. Oh, this one was a spicy one. Okay. Spicy. Oh yeah, see guys? I didn't say it said made with 100% natural white meat. You see it? Yes. Well, Kimani loves this too. So yeah, it's really good. So try it. You can like it. The sodium is crazy though, I ain't gonna lie. Something you eat when we come from the gym or something. I use this with a salad the other day. Well, this salad. And I saw this like this thing right here. I never used that. It's like I be ignoring the stuff at the back of the bag. Like you can use it and wrap it like this. I did not know that until was this summertime? I was like, oh, okay. This is the food. 2 eggs. Yeah, my hand was a little heavy with the black pepper, but whatever. And I put some of the sweet onion teriyaki sauce on there. Hey y'all. Today's I'm looking up. Well, my list not showing. Cause I didn't paste it down. Today is March 30th. I'm heading to an appointment, a consultation I have to get my braces. It's weather is nice today. And you know how long I ain't wear this sweater? The weather is so nice. It's like 70 degrees, but I didn't even know. I didn't check the weather. I just put this on. I saw the sun was out, and I'm like, you know what? I'm not even going to put no what's go on. But yeah, my appointment was 11. It's actually 11:01 right now, and I'm like a block away, so I'm good. Yeah, after because I gotta cross the street. I'm actually getting my braces done today. I didn't know I could do it today. It's gonna take less than 40 minutes, so we're getting this one. Invisalign is more expensive than anything. I'm so happy I'm finally getting my braces. Oh, it's pricey as hell, but my insurance don't cover nothing, so because of my age. So I gotta pay in my own pocket. Grown woman shit. Oh, this coming with adulthood. Oh my god, I do not recommend. Oh my god. Can't nobody get braces. Proud of myself. And I said every time I come I can change the thing, get a color, different color. Okay. I can leave this here? Or bring it? Okay. Okay. It's so hard to talk. I got braces. And of course of course I did blue because next one is autism awareness, and that's my hair color, and you know. Oh my god. I just heard them go home. I feel like I'm about to rain. It feels so uncomfortable. I gotta get used to it. Oh child. Oh, it's gonna take me 2 years to close these gaps up. I knew it was gonna be like that. I was not surprised when she said it, because I'm like, I got a lot of spaces, so I know. My insurance don't cover it because of my age. They only cover it up until from children age of 20. This is why my son needs to get his before he turned 20, because I'm not paying for no braces when he get older. I mean, he don't need it now because his teeth is perfect. But I don't know. I'm gonna go to this place. It's really about to rain. You see how I'm going to this place over here? They said Talk Treats of Korea. Oh my god, I can't really work on my braces. And I'm gonna still be confident because who gonna stop me? Please. See what they got in this place. Just wanna go look. I'm not gonna buy nothing. They got smell like curry. Oh, it's noodles and stuff. Hello. There's noodles. Oh, what's this? This one's a chocolate spaghetti. How much is this? Huh? Oh. Oh, you do it here?
For $7.99, you get 2 toppings with your purchase. You get 1 protein, 1 veggie. If you want to take it home, it's $3.99.
Okay. Alright. It's not bad. I'm about to come back in another time though. This is nice. What they do here for you. That's cool. Look at the cheesy one. Oh, that's what they make it on. Oh, it's nice. I'm about to come back. I tried all of that one already. I tried that one too. I didn't try this one yet. Oh, this one's just. Oh, see, look at that. See? Look at this one, spicy. Oh, sweet and spicy. That's why it says spicy. Alright, I'm gonna come back one day. I want to let them do it. I'm not gonna go. One day, I'm gonna come back and let them do it. Ooh, the sodium is crazy though. Alright, let me go. Cause I gotta go home and relax until work, man. I'll come back another day. So they told me that I'm gonna feel some sensitivity. To take some Advil and stuff. Like, my mom look kind of funny. But what you expect? You just got some wires on your teeth, girl. Other appointment is April 28th. Hungry though, I ain't nothing. Oh, I came outside. I drank some lemon water. That's it. I'm hungry. I thought it was growling. Oh. But that was, cause yeah. You know when you go to the dentist, obviously you must got to be wide open when they're doing it. They had a mouth guard thing to hold your tongue down so your tongue won't be the way. That shit was bothering me. That shit hurt. Like, cause I had to bite down. Hurt like crazy, man. So it didn't take long though. Like I would say under 40 minutes, like you said. I have to get a water flosser. So to brush my teeth in circular motion. So if I'm eating fruits, obviously I gotta cut it up. I can't bite it, especially like, you know, the apple. Apple's like one of the hardest fruit to bite. So I gotta cut my apples up. If they break, I gotta come in. Don't wait. If one break and it's not bothering me, it's cool. But if like more than one break and it's bothering me, like it's poking me, I could come in right away. And she says sometimes people get the Invisalign and they complain. Sometimes they gotta take it out every time they eat. And I'm like, I saw that because I remember watching Tanania and that's what she got. I remember seeing her taking out all something. I'm like, oh, that's too much. And she's like, oh, people be disappearing. I'm like, disappearing for what? She's like, I don't know. She like, they don't keep with an appointment. I'm like, the amount of money I'm paying, I'll make sure I be at every appointment, please. When I used to see people with braces, I'm like, how they put it on? Because I'm like, that should look painful. But then when I watched the YouTuber, Shami, Petite Sue sister, I had saw how they put her braces on, her thing on. I think they was putting on one by one. I'm like, oh, that's how they do it. That's cool. And then they just put the wire and she's like, oh, it's gonna be a little pressure when she putting the wire. It did not hurt. I was like, oh, that's not bad. I didn't know they was gonna give it to me today. I thought I was gonna make another appointment. I didn't know. I was like, how long it take? She was like, under 40 minutes. I'm like, oh, I'm still cute. I'm still cute or whatever. One thing about me, I'm gonna laugh at myself. I'm hungry though. I cannot wait to go and eat. Oh my god. I hope the pain don't be bad, yo, because I know for a fact my teeth gonna hurt. I feel like the pain is gonna be bad because my teeth is really spaced out. So for them to come together, I know it's gonna be painful. Oh my god. Lord, please don't let me go through excruciating pain. I just got in. Well, I got in 5 minutes ago. It's now 2:20. Oh. I eat the sandwich, like I said. I put this in the air fryer, my chicken sandwich. And eat it with a wrap. Some Nathan fries. Oh yeah, they give me some goodies. Listen, let me show you something. These Tims that I bought these last year from, I think Snipes, was $40, right? The other day when I wore them to the concert, was my first time wearing it. I don't know why I didn't wear it. It's like I forgot I had them because I didn't wear it in the winter time. These are 5.5 and they still big. Look, maybe I can see it. And they still big on my feet. It's like I should have just got a 5, but I think this was the last one that was on sale because it came with the stretcher. I have it in the box. I didn't even notice. Yeah, Reef and Rock the Tims. You know how long I buy a pair of Timberlands? Because I had the construction ones, the yellow ones. I had those years ago and I never bought another one. But I'm like, I saw those on, I'm like $40. Of course I'm getting them. I mean, I showed y'all, I think I showed y'all in the vlog too, a couple of months ago. But yeah, so I can't eat no more crackers. Look, look. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can eat this if it's when I put it in the Milo, soft. I can only eat soft stuff. Can't eat nothing hard. Can't eat nothing sticky. Can't eat nothing. What she said? Sticky. Oh, she gave me a list of stuff I can't eat. If I'm eating chicken wings, I gotta skin it. Like I can't bite the bone or nothing. That's like, cause I have to make sure I ain't eating my wings. One reason that's why I need to eat. I'm so hungry. And these fries are soft, so that's good. Oh, hold on. I didn't wash my hands. I just took food, so. I'm so hungry. Oh, I can eat a cat right now. Out of everything else, I said a cat. Oh my god, that's how hungry I am. Cause I only had lemon water. Oh shoot, that's wet. Open my. Okay. These are the goodies that I got. I got toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, just some everything. What's it called? I don't know what it's called. Toothbrush, soft bristle. Yep. This is another personal travel toothbrush. This is I think she said you could use this if something gets stuck in my teeth, and if the floss can't get it out, I could use it. I think that's what she said. That's a little brush thing. Hold up. What she said about this again? I gotta read up my new stuff. It came with this stuff. Dental threads. Oh, these are threaders. Okay. These are threaders. This is a dental floss. Mint. Mint wax. But I'm excited because I finally got my braces. Oh yeah, what's the other folder? Oh wait, this is the thing. That's each one. Hold on. Home guide thing. Woo, yeah, this one definitely is time for buy my nails. Like I'm grown as hell, I'm still buy my nails. I'm not ashamed to say it. I still do it. That's a bad habit I've been having for the longest. I got my insurance, my paper thing right here that I signed. My consent form, the contract. This shit is expensive. I gotta pay this shit monthly. The Invisalign is way more expensive. So, please. I was not gonna get that one either. When I decided I was gonna get braces, I knew I was gonna go with the regular ones because even the lady was saying that the people who got their Invisalign, they don't. So you got to take it out every time you want to eat, and sometimes you forget. Some of them will forget to do it, and sometimes they go from the Invisalign to this one because they say it don't work properly. It don't work. I don't know. She said it don't work properly or something like that. I don't know. That was her patient's the review. So they changed it from the Invisalign to this. I got 13 more minutes for this to finish. I made it with the roll wrap, like I said. I think. You want me to wait? I did the other day. I put it in there. I'll add some sauces. I wrapped it in. I folded like a little pocket thing. Oh, it was so good. Hey, let me see y'all later. This is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.